Are you looking for a storage bed that will help you make the most of your bedroom space? Check out our top 5 picks for the best storage beds. These beds offer a variety of storage solutions, from drawers and shelves to cabinets and compartments, so you can find the perfect one to fit your needs. So let's get started. List number: Aliexpress upholstered queen-size platform bed frame. This luxurious 4-piece platform bed frame is designed with a 5-leg wooden base and upholstered in linen fabric. Available in black or beige, this modern bed will add sophistication to any bedroom and offer the perfect place for sleeping. The all-steel construction of this strong platform bed frame makes it durable enough for years of service. It features premium materials and features sturdy construction that is available in several colors and finishes. This piece has the perfect combination of style and comfort. The headboard can be adjusted to 38 or 40.2 inches in height, suitable for a 6 to 12 inches mattress. This storage bed frame comes in only one box, with the complete accessories you need to assemble now, with 4 storage drawers underneath. This platform bed frame offers perfect storage space for bed sheets, accessories, off-season clothing, etc. Upholstered in linen fabric with a button-tufted and square-stitched surface. List number: DHP Cambridge Gas Lift Upholstered Platform Bed. The Cambridge Gas Lift Upholstered Platform Bed with storage compartment offers a transitional look to your bedroom. This bed features a sleeker design that incorporates the modern lines of the industrial age with mid-century sophistication. Its exclusive slat system and smooth multi-step turn ladder gives you the ability to have complete control over your sleep, while sturdy built-in shoe storage keeps your shoes off the floor. This space-saving platform bed features handcrafted in solid beech hardwoods. Custom fit your Cambridge platform bed to your space, creating a unique design. Constructed with heavy-duty materials, including steel, aluminum, and thick plywood that provide a solid foundation, creating a sturdy bed frame that will last through the ages. With a slat system included, you can take advantage of our low-profile construction without compromising on support. List number: Novogratz Kelly Upholstered Bed with Storage. The Novogratz Kelly Upholstered Bed with Storage features a clean design, simple lines, and high-quality craftsmanship designed for an affordable price point. The bed is available in multiple sizes and a variety of finishes to match any room style from contemporary to country casual. Add some sophistication to your bedroom with the Novogratz Kelly Upholstered Bed with Storage. The elegant design of this bed is sure to be a conversation piece in any bedroom. A richly textured upholstery in gray wool provides a soft look for your bedroom and features storage compartments that make it easy to keep your belongings organized. The well-designed bed frame combines fashion with its chic colors and function, with convenient storage compartment. This stylish piece is sure to be a favorite of those who see it or simply admire its large scale and appealing appearance. List number: Aliexpress full-size bed frame with 4 storage drawers. Aliexpress full-size bed frame with 4 storage drawers is a good choice for you. It has a wide side wingback design, which not only looks beautiful, but also provides a good support when leaning on the headboard. The 4 big hidden under bed storage drawers can help you get rid of unnecessary clutter in your room. And besides its overall design, the sturdy wooden structure and high-quality material ensure that this bed frame can last a long time. This elegant, classic bed offers style and functionality. Its sleek profile adds more space in your bedroom, while its ample storage provides easy access to all of your things. The sideboard includes 4 drawers that can be pulled out when needed, and separators between each drawer keep things neat. The construction is made of durable materials, ensuring that it will last for years to come. List number: Bestar Pour Full Murphy Bed with Storage. The Bestar Pour Full Murphy Bed is a high-quality Murphy bed that extends the life of your bedroom and home. This product is made from sturdy laminated particle board with a durable metal frame and top-grade laminated particle board in 2 inches increments to reduce movement and noise. The bottom and side rails are 1 1/4 thick wood bench top quality finished and ready to be installed on your wall structure or studs. quality laminated particle board, compliant with TSCA Title VI, with shaker-inspired trim and metal handles to ensure stability. Bed is easy to transport and can be pressed together for storage. Thin mattress and ample storage provide the perfect combination of comfort and functionality. Experience a new way to sleep with this quality full-size Murphy bed. With its design inspired by Shaker style, this bed will look great in your home while providing you with the utmost comfort during your sleeping days.